How long of a countdown is there? 18, it's not too bad. Never have I ever considered coming down here just to do this right before a storm was about to happen. But I'm doing it for a different reason. There's an elevator I've yet to explore down here. And it's not at the El Conquistador. I'll have to do that some other time when I'm like a few years older. I don't trust myself around hotels right now. Alright. Bro, I just noticed that happen. I just saw lightning. That's a large countdown for such a short intersection. 38 seconds at bare minimum. Yeah, there's a storm coming. No doubt about it, there's a storm coming. Still got 14 seconds. I came by Ruth Raff a little while ago, and one of the pedestrian buttons actually got its sign replaced. It's got a similar sign to this one, though it's got red instead of orange on the labels. And it should be letting me go in a second. Alright, so it's giving priority to the green arrows. Gotta wait a little bit. Oh, walk sign's on.